Put a bag over your oven and forget about scrubbing. A dirty glass door looks unpleasant, and heavy scrubbing can scratch it. This is a simple home method for a clean oven that dissolves grime on its own. Open the oven and prepare a regular trash bag. Place the bag over the glass and gently slide it down. Sprinkle baking soda on the oven glass. It dissolves grease, softens burnt residue, and works as a mild abrasive. Then pour vinegar over it. Vinegar cuts through grease, removes buildup, and has antibacterial properties. When combined with baking soda, it fizzes intensely, loosening even stubborn dirt. After a moment, gently wipe the surface with a sponge. Then apply a layer of toothpaste to the glass and rub it in thoroughly with a sponge. Cover everything with 2 pieces of aluminum foil, then put the bag back on so everything is sealed tightly. The bag creates an occlusion effect. It traps moisture and cleaning vapors against the surface, helping grime soften faster and dissolve more easily. Move on to the inside of the oven. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface and pour vinegar on top. This is an effective way to tackle oven grease, which quickly starts to break down. Wait a moment, then wipe everything away with a sponge. After that, remove the bag and foil from the glass. Wipe the surface clean with a sponge to remove any residue. Finally, polish with a microfiber cloth. This is an effective way to clean your oven without scrubbing. Your oven will be perfectly clean. No force needed. Did you know those numbers inside your oven actually have a hidden meaning? Most people see them or don't even notice them, but hardly anyone really knows what they stand for. On both sides of the oven, next to the tray rails, there are numbers. And that's not a coincidence. Level 1 is perfect for pizza and baguettes. The heat is stronger from the bottom there, so the base turns crispy and everything bakes quickly. Level 2 works great for meat and fish. At this height, food stays tender inside without burning on the outside. Level 3 is the best choice for cakes. The temperature is most stable there, so the batter rises evenly. Level 4 is ideal for roasted vegetables. It helps you get a lightly browned, crispy top. Level 5 is great for dishes that you want extra golden and ready in just a moment. Just place them there briefly for a restaurant-style finish. These numbers are basically a guide to where you should place your tray so your food bakes evenly and turns out perfect every time. A simple tip that makes baking so much easier. Now you know what the numbers in your oven mean.